Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur Carine's Cuisine. Alors aujourd'hui c'est mon mari qui prépare, donc il va préparer pour nous et on a commencé ça il y a plusieurs années en fait. Il a commencé à préparer un week-end et après il s'est dit ah, tiens pourquoi pas le faire tous les week-ends comme ça, je te donne une pause. Alors ça fait plaisir bien sûr, ben, bienvenue le nettoyage après. Mais bon ça fait plaisir donc je vais le laisser présenter sa recette. Merci.
All right, so my wife has been sharing some of our recipes and some of our cookings online, and she invited me today to be a guest on her show. Anyway, so I decided to make some fish, and I'm gonna show you how I make my fish. Obviously, it's how you call this fish again?
Catfish.
Catfish head, yeah, catfish head. So that's what we're gonna cook here today, and the way I'm gonna cook it, it will be put in the oven, baked with traditional leaves and everything else. So why not just go and get started? So the catfish has been cleaned already, good to go. Obviously, I'm the one who eats the head. My wife won't eat that, so we'll put some other pieces in there that she will be able to eat, and the kids if they want to. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing first, what I usually do, I'll go in and get the onions. I show you guys the ingredient earlier, so now we're just going out and start mixing stuff. Alright, so we got the onions already in it, good to go. This is ginger. Now, I don't measure, I'm just doing the old school way because I'm used to be doing this thing. So, and this is black pepper. I got a little bit of nutmeg. I like this. Got garlic. Good. You can't cook without garlic and onion. So, this is a taste factory, by the way. This is what we make a taste. So, all right. So this is a parsley. Basil leaves. Again, I like tastier, so I put a little bit of good smell in it. Tomato, chopped already. Mushrooms. Woo! Look at that. No chicken flavor, although this is a fish. All I need is just the flavor, so don't worry about it. Now in this case, I don't want to pour everything in it. Put like this. Now, this thing is a little salty. As you can see for yourself, 210 milligram per 1 tablespoon, right? So
Milligram of what?
Sodium. Sodium, yep. So you don't want to put too much in it. Right there, I'm done. As far as oil, just put a little bit. There's one thing if you have not noticed here, it's the crushed red pepper that I've not mixed yet because my wife and the kids don't like hot sauce, anything spicy they won't eat. So I will put this towards the end when I'm ready to pack the stuff. The taste to go all the way through the flesh and everything. So we're gonna suck on these bones. So we want the bones to be very, very tastier. All right, so we'll catch up tomorrow. What we're gonna do pretty much is wrap this thing using this leaves. I just don't know, you know, what they come from, but anyways, we got it from the international market, and they call them hohad mashan, I guess.
Peliconia leaves.
That's it, right there. You got it. I'm going to use this to help me kind of scoop it up. Yep, right there. Yeah, I'll use this side. I think it's better. Anyway, so you might wonder why is he using leaves? obviously the leaves bring some taste. There's a little taste like when you smoke meat, and then when you cook this way as well, there's a bit of taste that comes with it. Can't really describe to you. You're gonna have to give it a try and you'll see. Anyway, so let's go ahead and so I'll be doing 2 sets of this. One with a crushed pepper and another one without it. So as you can guess, the one with, that's what I'll be eating. The one without, that's for the wife and the kid if you want to give it a try. Anyway, so I think this is pretty good. And then mine, as you can see on this side, is the bone that I'll be, sucking on. All right, so we're going to get this done. I don't have to do anything. If you want, you can certainly add more, a little bit of olive oil or, any spices as you see fit. Go, just like that. Just like that. All right, so one done. I'm going to put a little bit of a hot sauce on mine. This is crushed red pepper. But in addition to this, what I'll be doing, I'll also be mixing this one. This is my own recipe. I like hot sauce, so and I've got another set of hot sauce that I'll be making on it. So I like it hot, spicy, really hot. So you have an option to just use one or use whatever you want to do. But in my case, like I said, I like it hot. So this is what I'll do. I can smell, I can see the taste already. Just remember one thing, this is a taste factory. If you want to see how you how you can make this, let me know. Just comment on my wife's website or YouTube channel, and I'll be back and show you how you get it done. Anyway. There's no magic to it. This is not a science, it's just an art. You can do it. It's easy. Done. In the meantime, let me go and preheat the oven. Bake. 350 is fine. Alright. So you should cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour. But again, it's up to you. You should just come back, worry about the 30 minutes to check it out if you can. You may want to open it as well just in case. This is fish, so it really doesn't take much to cook. But again, at 45 minutes should be fine. If not, since this is the head part of it, you may want to just let it go until an hour. That should be fine. Alright, let's go and do this how you did it again. Right there. Okay, good. See, I gotta get used to this. Start. There we go.
Okay, so we come back in 45 minutes to check. Good?
Good to go.
Okay. See you soon.